So replace all is latest one. So replace will do for only first occurrence, but replace all will do for every occurrence. ठीक है? Now if you want to do index all, index of, ठीक है? Index of A. So
One.
what it will print you?
One.
1. ठीक है? Like index of A from 1. It will give you 1 because again it is on 1. I will do one thing. Why? Index of A from 1. A comma 1. Okay. This will happen. ठीक है? Concat and everything will be same. Like we have repeat. So return a new string with number of copy of string. Search.
Akbar, in some logics we use when we use the index of, then we check with triple equal to minus one. Like why
Yes,
do we
it,
do
it
that?
will return like so if you have w, okay, index of
Okay.
w, so w is not there, so it will return minus 1. So if it is not there, it will return minus 1.
Okay, but why do we equalize with
So
mentioning that?
this shows that it is not there. If
Okay.
it is minus 1, then it is like it is not there. Okay, if you are going to apply if else condition, okay,
Okay. Okay.
so how you are going to apply if else condition, you will not know, no, but you know if it is not there, it is going to return minus 1. So it is clear, like if the result is minus 1, then it is not available. Okay.
So, like, my question is, do we have to? It is optional, right? Like, if we even if we use the minus triple equal to minus one, or not, if you don't use also, that
No, no, it is not
doesn't make any
optional.
sense.
Why doesn't it make any sense? It make any sense, na? Like if it is available, okay.
Okay. Okay.
If it is available, it is J, okay. So J is available.
Okay.
J is 0th place, okay. But if it
Okay.
is minus 1 only when it is not available. So you cannot check for true, false, undefined because 0 is
No, no.
false.
What I'm saying is index of j you have written
Mm,
inside that only. Like triple equal to. Can you go out of this j?
mm.
Yeah, here triple equal to minus one.
Then
Minus.
condition will be applied now, man.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is if else condition, just assume, okay. This
Okay.
is minus 1. So it will give
Okay.
you false. This condition fails because J is 0. J is not minus 1. It will give false. But if you
Okay.
are writing W, so
Okay.
it becomes 2. So you can achieve something, na, any of your operation or logic you have applied, so it will work.
Okay.
So likewise, now the best example, like there is something like you can have length also. String dot
Okay.
length. Length is same, like to get the length of an string. So it will print 13. Now just think that we have an string, okay, and this is the string. This is very much important. This is a string. Okay, now if you will check the length, it will give you length is equal to 11. Now the question is how to check empty string.
With the concat, bro,
What you will do with concat?
I'm asking.
No, I say no. Now you are creating an input box.
We
Okay,
can use the trim method.
trim only we can use. So you can, if you create an empty box, okay, and I just pressed 10 times space and clicked on submit. So you submitted it because you how you we used to check, we used to check the length, but this also has length, na?
Yeah.
So to best way to check the empty string is to trim it. Trim dot length check. Okay, trim means it will remove all the white space from left side and right side,
Yeah.
but over here there is no character, everything white space, so it will remove everything and the length will be 0. But still if you will write 1 over here, 2, so it will remove from there and it will give you length 2. So this is the best way to check for an empty string, not the length is best way. Okay,
So concat, can you explain concat, bro?
concat is just to concat two string.
Adding. Adding.
Ja- string 2. Okay, now concatenate. Got it? There are other method. There are lots of method which you can lowercase, uppercase to lowercase. It will be like
So JavaScript completed, bro, for this.
lowercase. It will become Java. So uppercase.
Like Akbar, I always used to have a question in my mind that like why do we use object dot assign? Like when you have the free time, you can explain that line. Object dot assign.
Object dot assign is basically
At what condition we use? Yeah.
like I have what is a constant my object. ठीक है? This and what we have my object is there. ठीक है? So what I can do object dot assign. This will be the source.
Your screen is stuck, bro.
Is still stuck.
No, no, it is not.
ठीक है? This is source. Okay, this is destination. So source will come here. ठीक है? Now if you we will log it. So it will assign. It will not assign it. Okay, it is still 0. Okay, this will be the source, bro. So object dot assign is something like this itself. Like what we need to we can assign one object into other object. This is source and
Okay.
the other becomes the destination.
Okay.
But
Like we are passing like a source object into destination object.
wait a minute, let me check whether it returns all these things are
Like somewhere I read like we use that
okay. This
for
is and this.
copying.
Same like reference I gave you na. Like a deep copy, shallow copy is there concept. Deep copy, shallow copy.
Yes.
So in the first class I explained in first or second class object. If object equal to if you will give it will change the value.
Yes.
This is a way to create new object. Okay. Now if you will change this also it will not get changed. Or else if you will do equal to then what happens? If you change this also gets changed automatically. If you change this also gets changed automatically.
Okay. Like when you applied object data sign.
Object dot assign if you will apply it will not change. It will work as an spread operator itself.
Okay.
So new object will be created with new reference.
Got it.
Okay. So any doubt with this? Like any of that array method you want to see? Trim end means end wala, right hand side. Start means start from first. To string it will convert any of the anything into string. Substring start with will check the start with the character. Either it is starting split slice is also same. Just like we learnt in array, it is same. Include is their index of all, like if you'll go through it, it will be easy. Like now you know how to like achieve all these things, how to use it. But you should know that there is something called as we can use this method and achieve this. So you should just be aware about that methods. Rest you can go Google it and like you can get the syntax. ठीक है?
Yeah, okay, bro.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
got it.
No, bro.
Till now we don't have. It is